Welcome to my online course, Turn on the Calculator in Your Head. Let's see what we have in this lesson.
Numbers start from 0, then comes 1, then 2, then 3, and so on. Arithmetic is the study of how numbers behave. Now, as every person is different, it's same with the numbers. Every number is special, and when we spend time with numbers, they become our friends. When we think of number 2, we can think of 2 eyes. When we think of number 7, we can think of the 7 colors of the rainbow. Of course, numbers go on after 9 to 10, 11, 12 and so on, and there is no ending. So, all numbers after 9 are made out of the basic numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A good way to imagine numbers is imagine them on a straight line like this. It's called the number line, and we can pick out a section of the line anywhere we like this. This makes it easier to work with numbers. We can add and subtract them. So, if we want to find 7 plus 4, we can start at 7, right? And count on 4 from there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That brings us to 11. So, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. We can use the number line to do this if we like, or we can just do it in our heads.
If you want to get full benefit of this course, do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.